Hi students, today we will continue chapter 5. The topics that we are going to do today are crop, resize, skew, and please open the book, page number 64 and 65 we will do today. So let us start the class. Crop means to keep only the selected part and remove the remaining part. Crop means to keep only the selected part and remove the remaining part. Let us see how the crop command is working in the computer. Now, first we have to select any part of the image. Suppose this one we have selected. Now, crop command is there in the image group. Click. See, only that selected part will be kept and the remaining part will be removed from the picture. Doing it once again. Now suppose we want to select this one. Selected. Now click crop. See, only that part of the image is kept. Remaining all the other things will be removed from the picture. Clear? Now we have one flash test. We have to identify the different tools. Text tool, pencil tool, color picker tool and eraser tool. Text tool, pencil tool, color picker tool and eraser tool. Next, resize and skew. Resize means to increase or decrease the size of the picture horizontally or vertically. Skew means to stretch and tilt the image. Repeating it once again, resize means to increase or decrease the size of the picture horizontally or vertically. Skew means to stretch and tilt the image. Let us see how these two commands are working. Now, first we have to select one portion. Suppose this portion. After that, in the image group, we have the resize option. Over here, see, the resize commands are given horizontally and vertically how much we want to resize, and in the skew also how much portion we need to tilt and stretch, that also you can give. Now let us give the resize as 50-50. Next, and the skew we are giving horizontally 20. See, the image, part of the image that we have selected has turned to this one. Another thing, for resize, when we are resizing any part, we can either give it in percentage or in number of pixel value also we can give it. We can give it in pixel value, we can give it in percentage. Okay. This is the skew and resize dialog box. So, today's CW work is clear. HW work will be to read the pages that we have done today. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, study at home, don't waste your time, and bye-bye.